how to change Temu checkout minimum limit. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see and adjust the minimum purchases amount on Temu. So if you're also looking forward on how to do that, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just get started with the video. So for that, you can go ahead and open up your Temu in your device. And once you are here, you can go ahead and log in into your account. Once you've logged in, you will be seeing this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on the U tab at the bottom. You can just go ahead and tap on the middle. And once you're here, you will be seeing this interface on the screen. So what you can do in order to solve it is tap on this headphone icon right beside the gear icon. And you will be reaching to the support tab of the Temu. And under here, you will be finding different help articles. You're going to look up for this last option that says contact us. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the space of this Temu customer service where you can contact the Temu customer service in order to solve your issue. So here in this message icon, what you're going to do is type in the Temu checkout limit, the minimum amount. So you're going to go ahead and type in how to change the Temu checkout minimum limit and ask Temu to help you out in order to check out your minimum on your Temu. So that is it. For now, this is the method you can apply up in order to change your Temu checkout minimum. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.